So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that how many 4-digit positive integers are there in which all the 4 digits are even, right? And we are given all these possible options. So we have been asked, we have to tell number of 4-digit positive integers in which all the digits are even, right? So we have to tell 4-digit positive integer, 4-digit, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so tell me one thing, guys. How many positive even number are there? Because we have to tell all the 4 digits are even. So how many even digits are there? So if you talk about the even digits, how many are possible? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Right? These are the even digits that are possible. Right? 0 is also counted as even because if you say 640, right? So obviously 640 is even, right? So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even digits which are possible. And we have to tell how many 4-digit positive integers are there in which all these digits are even, right? So tell me one thing. If I talk about the first place, right? If I draw it over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if I talk about the first place, how many possible options do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 different even digits, right? But if I talk about the first place, I can only put 2, 4, 6, 8. Why? Because obviously I cannot put 0 in the beginning, right? Otherwise it will become a 3-digit number. But because I have to make it a 4-digit number, so obviously 0 is not possible over here. So what are the possible options? The possible options are 2, 4, 6, 8. So in total, there are 4 possible options for this first place. I hope this makes sense. So there are 4 possible options for the first place, right? Now tell me how many possible options are there for the second place. So over here, I can put 0, I can put 2, I can put 4, I can put 6, I can put 8. I can put any of these 5 digits, right? So there are 5 possible options. Similarly, in the third place, I can put any of these 5 options. So 5 are the total number of options. And similarly, in the fourth place, I can put any of these 5 options. So 5 over here is the answer, right? And why 5? Because there is no condition or restriction that no digit should appear more than once. There is nothing like that. And that is why we are able to write 5. Because if we put 2 over here, we can again put 2 over here. It doesn't matter. There is no restriction in the question, right? So, but only restriction, if you think logically, is that you cannot put 0 in the beginning. That is why for the first place, there are 4 possible options. And for the remaining places, there are all the 5 possible options, right? Because we wanted even digits to be here. All the 4 digits are even. That means that this should be even, this should be even, this should be even, this should be even, right? And these are the possible even options. So this is the condition, right? So this is the answer basically. So I hope this should be clear. So total, how many options are there? The total options become 4 into 5 into 5 into 5, right? Which is how much? 20 into 25, which is basically 500, right? So 500 4-digit positive integers are there in which all the 4 digits are even. So I hope this should make pretty good sense. So that is why your answer becomes the third option, which is 500. I hope this is clear.